Yeah, so this is the starting point. As Ahmed has mentioned that we are getting the road tanker, and this will be unloaded from here, and this will go to the inlet chamber. So beginning from here, we are going to discuss this, and then we are going to discuss the inlet lift station. We will discuss, this section, and then we'll go here in the further cleaning system and grit removal. Then we'll go other for biological treatment.
No, balancing tank.
Balancing tank, yeah, balancing tank.
While inspected by node 2.
Okay, yeah. So up to here, we are going to discuss in node 1, right? So we have described here raw wastewater from the tanker discharge, TDF inlet lifting station, lifting pump, flow distribution chamber, inlet headwards, grit removal, balancing tank transfer pump, and drains. So this will be node 1, right? Now I will request Ahmed to please explain again on the process side.
Yeah.
So that we can come back on the node description. Yes, Ahmed. So over to you. You want to start from here quickly?
There is another part in the beginning, but I think no need to. This is just to see the sample of the quality of the raw sewage before going to the discharge.
Yeah, that is what this is.
That was no need. I think. Correct?
Yeah.
Huh?
We have it before the HAZOP, right?
Do you have hard copy?
Distribute it to everybody. Yeah, so that everybody can see it. Not hard copy.
You can arrange later.
You can have it.
Yeah. Okay, so yes, Ahmed.
Yeah. Okay, just go to the first. Before this sheet, there's another sheet. Yeah. This is just only duty standby units. Okay. To check the quality of the raw sewage coming by tankers. So sometimes if the TDS is high or the pH is high, so it will give indication that it's not allowed to discharge. So this is the purpose of this one. So in our plant, we have arrangement for the detected tank.
So all